Hey guys, it's the 1994 baby here. Here I go with my other update. Okay, on my lightning bugs. We caught a lot yesterday, but you can barely see it because mine looked like a wild jungle. And here we go. There goes one. There goes two. There goes two. Three is crawling. There goes four. There goes five. I have about like 6 or 7 or 8. I'm pretty sure I have 8 because yesterday I caught like 4 of them, and 2 days ago I caught 2. Well, I actually think I had 6, but okay, it's the 1994 baby here. Thank you for watching.